Priced to sell. Wonderful opportunity to gain some instant equity. 2-bedroom 1 full bath home with large kitchen, laundry room, living room and extra large yard. Alley alongside of the home and ample parking for at least 2 cars in the back. Half the yard is fully fenced with a separate dog run. Laminate flooring in most of the home and carpet in the bedrooms. With some sweat equity, this could be a great investment. Home appears to be in decent condition but being sold as is. Buyer is responsible for removal of all items in the home at closing. All appliances are included and sold as is. Buyer to verify all information to their own satisfaction.